Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want you guys to stay tuned for this video because we are going to be doing a little on-feet unboxing for the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. In case you don't have a pair of these yet, or you maybe been thinking about going and picking up a pair. Well, today we got mine right here. I'm going to toe them and show you guys what these look like on feet. Just, kind of with my day-to-day, again, showing y'all what they look like when I'm, just doing my different things out here and about today. I don't know why this is not focusing for me. It should be focusing, but yeah, we're gonna get into it, discuss this dope SB Dunk Club. We got a lot with these, and well, yeah, y'all can see quite an SB. Hope y'all will enjoy. And let me know if you picked up a pair of these for resale or retail recently. Just let me know in the comments. Did you happen to go out the way and grab a pair of these? And you guys can see some nice details on this pair. So we're gonna discuss them all, show you guys again what they look like on feet, and I hope y'all will enjoy. If you guys do want more content like this, and feel free again to subscribe and like down below. The normal goal we will shoot for is 300 likes. So if we can do that, that'd be great. If not, no worries. Just hey, shout out the kitty. Look what Luna's doing today. So as y'all can see, my cat is being a pretty chill girl. My bad if I'm being a little sporadic right now too. I'm very, very tired, but we are keeping it going. We got a lot to pack today. So shout out everyone who's also been tuning in on the Whatnot Lives or my Instagram. I appreciate you guys. We got a lot coming up, so just stay tuned. We got some crazy things that are on the way, so I appreciate y'all support as always. And let's get into reviewing the sneaker on feet. Since this is a dope pair, had to add one of these to the collection since, I don't know, just it's a unique SB Dunk Low. Whenever you get pairs like this, these are the types of ones to look out for. So hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get into a review of the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Let me know if you caught the pair in the comments, and let's get started. I think I already said that, but yeah, let's just go. So again, as you guys can see, normal sale box. We'll set that down right here, and don't forget you have a bunch of extra laces with these as well, right? So don't forget, these actually come with a couple things in the box. So you have the photo of NARDWUAR, definitely one thing to not forget. You guys can see that there. That is in the box. Both sides, as you guys see, the card. And not just that, but look at all these extra laces that we have with these. I think that's all of them. Yeah, look at all the extra laces. I might be missing a black pair. Those are all, there also is a black pair on the shoes, but look at all those extra laces, man. Tons of different ones. Okay, I don't think I'm forgetting any, but definitely going to try some different laces on these one day. I don't know if today will be that day, but might try like the yellow ones or the green ones. I kind of like both those ones too. Or the red. I feel like the red could look really good with these, but I don't really know. We'll try it and we'll see. So, getting into this SB Dunk Low, just tucking in a couple things right here. My bad. Just want to make sure this looks nice for you guys. Okay, here we go. So, getting into the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. You guys can see, we'll show these on feet in one moment. You guys see, of course, that top part right there, which is based off, of course, the thing on the top of NARDWUAR's hat. You know what I mean? So, don't forget about that. You guys see all these other details we got. You see it says Nike SB on the inside, top of the tongue tag. You also go right here, right? Take a look. You guys see back here by the heel, everything that we got right there. Of course, NARDWUAR's catchy slang that he says at the end of all his rap interviews, so don't forget about that. And y'all can see, of course, more that we got right here, kind of that plaid look that we also see on NARDWUAR's sweater a lot of the time. Then you go here to the sole, so you guys can see everything we got right there. His saying, again, which is also there on the heel. So, and the inside of the shoe. So that plaid look again. You have NARDWUAR on the inside of this sneaker. Don't forget about that. The Human Serviente. He's also on the inside of this one too. Yeah, he's on both of them here. He's inside both pairs on the insole. So I thought that was pretty cool as well. Another little detail with this SB Dunk Low. Shout out everyone who's buying these off us recently on Whatnot. We got a lot of these going out over the next week, so we appreciate you guys. We've been doing a ton of these at one. We got more coming later this week, so don't sleep. Thank you all. That's just the main thing. I wanted to say that real quick. Thank you all. Also, the Black Hat Force. More of those are on the way too, so just stay tuned, guys. We got you all. But aside from what we're saying right there, the yap, my bad. Let's get into reviewing these on feet, because I know that's probably what you're mainly here for. So we're going to show all these again on feet, what they look like. If this is a pair that, again, I'd add to my collection, which the answer is yes, we already did. So let's get into it. We'll do some professional shots, just some shots when I'm like out, like, day to day, doing my work, showing you what they look like on feet. And then, yeah, we'll just kind of like recap them. So let's go. Taking a look at the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low on feet, you guys can see that plaid look is definitely there, present. Probably the first thing we notice, and then probably this, I'd say. But aside from that, these are actually comfy on feet. I like these. A lot of SB Dunk Lows, sometimes it's a bit hard to kind of break them in and, get them comfortable with time. But no, these are comfy right off the bat. Probably one of the main things I like about this SB. So no complaints with that. But I will say this. You got to go a half size up. If you don't go a half size up on SB Dunk Lows, you're probably going to be getting a bit of a tight fit, you know what I mean? Especially if you're a bigger size, you know what I mean? If you're like a size 13 in kicks, you're probably going to need to get a 14 in SBs, you know what I mean? Or in Jordans, if that makes sense. So just make sure you're going a half size up, you know what I mean? Because these do run a little bit tight. That is true. People have been saying that, and that is correct. So as long as you just, again, get that little snug fit. So I got like a 9.5 instead of a 9. then yeah, you'll be good. So that's pretty much what I can say in terms of the fit. But you guys see everything else we got with these. Again, tongue tag, really clean. Actually, again, comfy. You can see, look at that. You know what I mean? Plenty of room. Feels good. You know what I mean? I got, like, my toes are right, like, here, so you know what I mean? Not too much room in them, but nice and comfy and snug. They can move a bit, you know what I mean? So that's one thing. That's why I would go the half size up, so your toes got a bit of space. Because if your toes are getting crushed in the SBs, you're going to just hate wearing them. So, and you want to wear this pair, because this is a very nice one. They don't do pairs like this too often, so make sure you guys are ready for that. My bad about that. I don't know why my boxers are right there, but that's way too much information for this video. But, okay, so, yeah, we're going to do the regular B-roll shots, the professional ones. Hey, we're getting started. Okay, I guess my camera's deciding to fall apart on me too, but yeah, I mean, these on feet, very comfy. I literally can slip them on and off. I love these. So yeah, definitely recommend these for the collection because they're comfy enough to slip on and off, and those types of SB Dunk clothes are the pairs I love. So, because there's some SBs you really can't do that with, you know what I mean? They're a bit more tight on the feet. You can't really like slip them on and off. These are lovely. So make sure you guys get the half size up and you'll love this pair. So we're going to do some professional shots and then just some ones when I'm out doing my day-to-day stuff, showing y'all what these look like, you know, just with a little bit better lighting on them. So let's do that right now. As you guys can see, clean. Alright, so as you guys can see, these are, with some better lighting, these are really nice. I mean, you guys can see some of the details on the top here. I'll give y'all a little bit of a better view on the side. Just a cool pair. I like what we got with these, that plaid look. Everything up close. Kind of nice, yeah. Here, here's one of the soles. Oh, there you go. Nice little worn look right there. Yeah. Clean shoe, man. Big fan, comfy. Nice one to rock. So anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this on-feet review of the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Let me know what y'all are thinking about this pair and if you all would add this sneaker to your collection. For me, easy yes. I mean, this is just a unique pair. I actually used to watch NARDWUAR's interviews in high school, you know what I mean, when I used to be like more into like rap music. When I had more time on my hands, just in high school, doing homework, listening to music, whatever it be, you know, you just had a bit more free time then. So like, you know, I would watch NARDWUAR's interviews then. So it just is a bit of a nostalgic SB, and it's actually cool that Nike gave him a collab. So yeah, this one was always going to be a cop for me. The second I saw it, I was like, okay, yeah, definitely adding these to the radar. So I appreciate everyone else who's also copied these off us recently. Thank you all so much. It means a lot. Just want to let you know. And Merry Christmas to anybody who's gotten a steal too. You know we got you. It'll be shipping within the next couple days. Do not forget about that. Still get it before Christmas or right after. Don't forget about that. And again, if you ever want to buy these off us, tune in on our Whatnot streams. We've been doing these at one recently, so I appreciate you guys tuning in there. And if not there, again, just hit me on my Instagram. I got pairs for sale there as well. I'm going to be getting back to everyone today. I've been a bit delayed, but getting back to DMs. Y'all have been going absolutely crazy. So I can only thank y'all for that. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all keeping my messages flooded. We're going to get back to everyone on the shoes and sizes y'all need. Just hit me up, and I will text you back. Just keep that in mind. And you can always text me again. I have absolutely no problem with that. Just feel free. And yeah, that's what I can say about the NARDWUAR SB Dunk Low. Just let me know what you guys think about these. Did you add one to your collection recently? Are you thinking about it? Let me know. But in terms of an on-feet pair, comfy. They did a really good job with these. I'm actually surprised with like how nice and comfy these are. Like I've only worn these for a bit and I'm surprised. Like most SBs I gotta break in a bit. These are comfy right off the bat. So good. Alright, that's it. I'm T, thank you all. I'll catch you all in the next video tomorrow. I gotta go get some breakfast. Shout out my little kitty Luna. She loves you guys. Thank you all to everyone who says thank you to Luna on the streams. She loves y'all. Don't forget that. She's actually looking out the window right now, enjoying the sun. So kitty time. Alright. See y'all tomorrow on the next one. I'm gonna go pack some stuff. And we'll have another video tomorrow or the next day. See y'all then. Peace.